Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set parental controls on an Android device to manage screen time and keep your child's online experience safe. First, navigate to the Parental Controls menu. In the 2026 Android update, Google Play controls are tucked away in the Family section of your store settings. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Settings. Tap the Family drop-down to expand it, and then select Parental Controls. By default, you'll see that parental controls are turned off. Next, create a secure PIN. To prevent your child from simply switching the restrictions back off, you'll need to lock the settings with a unique code. Tap the toggle to turn parental controls are on. You'll be prompted to create a content PIN. Choose a 4-digit number that your child doesn't know and confirm it. You will need this PIN every time you want to change these restrictions or allow a specific one-time download. Lastly, set age restrictions and content filters. Now that the system is locked, you can define exactly what content is allowed on the device. Tap on Apps and Games. Choose the highest age rating you want to allow. Any app with a higher rating will be hidden from search results or blocked from being installed. Don't forget to tap Save at the bottom of each category to apply your new rules. And that's all there is to it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.